Are you interested in making money as much as I do? Well, if your answer is yes, consider yourself lucky to be seeing this right now. Even with this festive period, I feel everyone would likely use some extra cash. So in this video, I'll be showing you a very quick way to make $100 in less than 15 minutes. This is something I've tried personally, and it has worked for me and a few other people that I've shared this concept with, and I just feel it's time for me to push it out to a more wider audience for more people to benefit from this. So stay tuned on this video and watch as I unveil this beautiful trick about how I make $100 in less than 15 minutes. Before I go further, I will want you to do something quickly. I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, click on the notification bell to turn on notifications to get updates from this channel, so you get updated on every video I drop from this channel. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video. If you have questions, whatever it is you want to say about this video, feel free to use the comment section. I don't ghost people, I don't hear people. Once I get a notification from you, come back here, give a response to your comment. So let's get right into business. So yeah guys, let's get right into it. So this is the very first step. Open up your browser and go to deriv.com. Click on enter, and please, when doing this, make sure you have a very stable internet connection if you don't want to run at loss, because this bot is actually very key to a very stable internet connection. Get trading is the next thing for you to click on. Leave it to load up. Okay, so just close this tab and click on Binary Bot. Binary Bot is what we want to work with. Click on open. You have no business with any other thing over here. Here we are. Once you have the bot, the next thing for you to do is to click on this folder icon. Click on it, then you get this pop-up that has my computer in it, and you click on load. Let that load up and you navigate to where you have the bot saved on your system. So here it is, the BobbybillsFX Binary V5 Expert Pro. Double click, and here's where the trick is. Here is where you impute all of your trade settings. And on this trade, I want to make just $100 just for a test to see how this bot works, and for you to understand how it works. And a warning, let me say disclaimer that I'll be giving is this is not in any way a get rich quick scheme. This is just for educational purposes only. Using this bot doesn't guarantee you keep making money forever. It's a bot, so it has limitations. Trade wisely, use the bot wisely. It can make you money, at the same time it can make you lose money. But if you obey strictly to everything I'll be telling you, trust me, you'll definitely make something out of this. So we want to make $100, and I really don't want us to do anything too tricky, so just let's go with something very simple. I'll be setting my stake to just 0.35. Win stake also I'll be using 0.35. Expected profits, want to reach $100. 100. Stop loss, let's put a stop loss at $50. So a quick explanation here. This bot, with this settings now, the bot already knows, okay, this is the maximum profit you're willing to make on this particular trade, which is $100. And the stop loss means when you lose up to $50, the bot will stop running. So let us get right into business. You have no other options with these other settings, and please make sure you don't move anything away from each other. Just leave everything the way it is. In a way, maybe you move something out this way. Don't try bringing it back in yourself. Just come here, reset all of the blocks. Once you make, yeah, and this unsafe changes will be lost. Yes. Come back, click on this icon, you load your bot. Let this window come up. You double click. Then make sure you get this notification. Blocks are loaded successfully. You come back here, settings 0.35. That is all I want to go into the market with. That is all I want to keep trading with. 0.35 again. I want to make $100. Stop loss. Putting that on 50. So let's see what we can do with this. Once you've done all of the settings, just click on run the bot. Trade responsibly. Okay. Well, if you wish to put your name here, you can, but I'll just leave it blank. Okay. Now the bot is running. Let's see the magic that will be done. All right, we lost the first trade. And on the second trade, the bot recovered our losses. That is one sweet thing about this bot. Once you lose the trade, the bot recovers your trade for you. And that is the martingale system. That is how it works. You lose the trade, it doubles the next trade to make sure you recover for the loss. And now we're going. So we'll just sit back, relax, and see where we get to with this. As you can see, guys, the bot is just doing everything on its own. All I am doing is just sitting back and watching it do its trick. Little monitoring. All I need to do when I see things are going wrong is to just probably stop the bot manually from this place. But so far so good. It's looking green. That's success. So let's keep going. So guys, as you can see, the bot is still trading, and right now we're on $60. I had to pause the video for a while so the video doesn't get all too lengthy. We've made 10 losses so far, and we've had 82 wins. This is actually something very good, and it's worth the investment if you ask me. Okay, we're losing. Here, it got recovered, and the bot still continues. Now we're in $61. So I'll pause the video for now while the bot continues to trade, and we'll come back a bit later. Here it is, guys. Here it is. We've reached $100 profit, and as you can see, once it got to $100, the bot actually stopped automatically. Binary V5 Expert Pro by BobbybillsFX. Profit achieved $100.01. Once I click on OK, it's settled. Here it is. Remember I told you I will not tell you the bot will not make any loss, but it will definitely recover for any losses it makes. 22 losses, 169 wins. Good investment or bad investment? That's up to you to decide. Here it is. Total profit, $100. Sweet or sour? Very sweet. Talk to me about this and let's get the ball rolling. Till see me on my next video. Keep doing good for yourself. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. If you have questions, inquiries, whatever it is, please do leave them in the comment section. I will respond as soon as I get them. Thank you.